guys, I cannot find my favorite monster truck anywhere. I've been looking all over the house and I can't find it. And one time I realized, what if somebody took it? By that I feel something in my pocket. What does this say right now? What does it say? Hi, Bob. I know you want your favorite monster, but I'm only giving it back and everyone watching likes and subscribes. Like and subscribe.